How to use Bitget coupon. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Bitget application and then on your top right corner you will see this logo. Tap on it. Then you will see the option coupons in the popular section. Here all your coupons will be available. And in order to use it, if you have any, using it will also be available in using feature will be available in this coupon center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.